Hi kids, welcome to the CraftCaulk studio. CraftCaulk. So, the Chopstick challenge continues. I was given hundreds of chopsticks and made the Crusoe croquet set with about 20 of them. And now it's time to look at what we can do with some of the rest. And I came up with an idea that I like because it's a problem that, you know, it solves a problem for me. So maybe there's somebody else out there. When somebody sends you a sweet card, especially hand painted, and you know, you want to keep it and you want to have it out and appreciate it. And I think we're going to be able to successfully use the remainder of these chopsticks until I get bored. No, never get bored. But I imagine that they would make excellent placeholders and a standing picture frame. But I'll show you how I would do it with CraftCaulk. Buy your tubes at CraftCaulk.com. Oh, you don't speak, mermaid?